To control data. In today's video, we are diving into one of the most powerful function, the if function. First off, let's talk about what the if function is. It allows you to make logical comparisons between a value and what you expect. It can return one value if the condition is true and another value if it is false. So by the end of the lesson, you should be able to use the if function, understand the syntax and structure of the function, then be able to apply it to various data sets. So let's get started. All right, so here is a simple example. We want to use this data set to determine if each student has passed or failed. So let's say the passing score is 60. We will use the if function to accomplish this. So right where I have my active cell, I start typing equal if open bracket. Our logical test is 88 here, and I say 88. So if 88 is greater than 60, which is our logical test, a comma here, then what is the value if it is greater than 60? We say pass the student, right? Then if this value is not greater than 60, if it is below 60, then we say fail the student. And then I close the bracket and click on enter, right? So by this doing, we have been able to see that we can use the if function to determine a particular condition. So I can still come down here, place my cursor at the very bottom right of this green rectangle and double click to fill in for the other students. So we can see that we have some passes of some students, and here is student 7 that has below 60 and it's giving it a fail. We also have 42 here and it's a fail, and we also have this data here which is also a fail. So let's step these up a little bit. Let's look at this data set. This is a sales data set which I got from Cargo, and I would like to also use this data set to determine the products which are being delivered, right? So, and we are going to be using the date colon to determine this. So the question is this: as at today, are these products delivered or not, right? So like we do before, we come here as a data analyst you are, and we say, okay, let's determine if these products are being delivered or not as at today. So we say equal if we open our bracket as at today, does this date here deliver this product? So we say this cell less than or equal to today, in whatsoever day it is at any time you're watching this video. Is this product delivered? So our value is true. If as of today it has not been delivered, then we say not delivered, right? Then I close the bracket. So I'm using a today function in which we are going to be looking at in later video. Okay, so from here I type enter, and we can see that as at today, in whatsoever day it is, this particular product has been delivered, right? And if I double click here, I do a flash fill to determine the products which have been delivered or not. And there you have it. So whether you are to analyze a sales data or you are to look into an HR data or any other type of data analysis, this function can save you a lot to determine the condition of a particular scenario. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Control Data for more Excel tips and tutorial. See you in the next time.